Hello, Mr. Hausler here. This video is for Chapter 8, Exponents and Functions. What we're working on here is how to write numbers in scientific notation. Now, what is scientific notation? Scientific notation is when we take really, really big numbers, or really small numbers. Basically, scientists are using these types of numbers. We have an a value times 10 to an exponent. That exponent could be negative if I'm working with really, really small numbers. That exponent can be positive if I'm working with really, really big numbers. So the only rule is that this a value has got to be a number between 1 and 10. Okay? So it could be positive or negative, but between an absolute value of between 1 and 10. So scientific notation here, here's the coefficient, 6.022, that's between 1 and 10, so that's okay. Times 10, because I'm just using the base 10 here, to the exponent 23. So that means I'm going to take this number and multiply it by 10 23 times, which would move the decimal 23 spots, so I get a really big number. So the reason we do scientific notation is it's just a way of writing things quicker and faster, doesn't take as much space, and a scientist can write that really quickly as they're measuring numbers that are really, really big or really, really small. So our question here is transfer the following number to standard form. From standard form to scientific notation. So I actually have to work this process backwards. So I have right now, this is standard form. I've got to make it so I have an a value between 1 and 10, and then I got to find that integer, exponent. So the way you do that is, this number does have a decimal, I got to find where that's at, and that actually starts right here. The decimal is always right after the ones place. I got to figure out how many times I'm moving it until I get this decimal to give me a number between 1 and 10. So I really want to move it right to here. So I'm trying to get that decimal there, and I want to figure out how many spots that is, because that'll be my exponent. In this case, it'll be a positive exponent. So 1, 2, 3 to the next comma, 1, 2, 3, I'm at 6 now, at 9 now, 10. So 6.75 times 10 to the 10th. That's how you can go from standard form to scientific. You can go forward or backwards.